Making money online has changed forever. In 2025, AI isn't just a tool, it's the rocket launch. Those already using it are strapped in for takeoff, while beginners stuck with old methods are still standing on the launch pad, about to miss the flight. The countdown has begun. That's why in this video, I'll give you 7 proven beginner-friendly, faceless ways to make money online with AI, your blueprint before the engines ignite. So today, I'm breaking down 7 proven ways to make money online with AI, all faceless, all beginner-friendly, that you can start this week. I have used all these 7 ways to make money online, and the last one, number 7 in my favorite method, currently makes me over $10,000 every month. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll give you a free step-by-step PDF that shows you exactly how to set up every one of these methods from scratch. But here's the catch. If you watch this passively, you'll leave here with a nice list of cool ideas. But if you watch it actively, take notes and actually pick one to run with, you could be looking at your first stream of AI-powered income in the next 30 days. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building AI-powered income streams in 2025, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. That way, every time I drop a new step-by-step strategy, you'll be the first to see it and the first to put it into action ahead of everyone else. The first method is so overlooked that you could start today and face almost zero competition. It's AI-powered niche Instagram pages. You post for months and still sit at 200 followers while other accounts blow past you. Many of them aren't even real people. They're automated, faceless pages, and they're quietly racking up millions of views. I used to think, oh, sure, it works for them, but I could never pull it off. Then I discovered the system. With AI, you can build niche-specific Instagram pages, spot trends before they blow up, and grow on autopilot. I'm not a full-time influencer, I'm not a video editing wizard, and I'm definitely not glued to my phone all day. Yet, one of my faceless pages makes $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and I spend under 3 hours a week on it. The real edge here is automation. You're not battling burnout like most creators. AI does the heavy lifting, and my free PDF playbook makes it plug and play. Let's dive into the second method, Pinterest plus AI plus Google SEO. Most people still think Pinterest is for cupcake recipes and wedding mood boards. That belief is quietly costing them thousands. Here's the truth. Pinterest isn't just social media. It's a visual search engine. Combine it with AI and Google SEO, and you've got a traffic machine that works for you for months and even years. Think you need years to rank on Google? Another myth. Well, Jesse Cunningham proved it by ranking 9,538 AI-written articles on Google, building 50 microsites that hit page 1, and posting over 300 AI-made Pinterest pins per day, which drove traffic to a website. That's impossible manually. Even a full team would burn out. But with AI, it's just a few hours to set up. Then it works while you sleep. Here's the simple version. AI writes the posts. AI designs Pinterest-optimized pins. Automation posts them to boards with your links. Traffic flows in, you monetize with ads, affiliate products, and sponsorships, and boom, your income grows. I use this exact method, generating blog articles, repurposing YouTube scripts, and creating pins that send traffic straight to monetized blog pages. Just pick an evergreen niche like make money online, fitness, or relationship, and solve problems people search for every day. Instead of sending that traffic to a blog, I'll show you how to send it straight to a product you didn't even create and still keep 100% of the profits. That's where method number 3 comes in, creating and selling digital products. You can start making sales with this in just a few days. Some of the most profitable sellers on Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify don't create products from scratch. They use AI to produce templates, planners, ebooks, and courses in hours, things that used to take months. In this model, you don't need to hold stock, arrange shipping, or worry about limits. You can sell infinite copies. When I made my first digital product, I wasn't a designer or a published author. Honestly, I felt way out of my depth. But I tested an idea, an interactive ebook that people could actually use, and AI made the process simple. ChatGPT drafted the content in hours. Midjourney and Sora created the images. A quick mock-up in Canva made it look ready for a bestseller list. No designer, no big budget. Instead of burying it on a crowded marketplace, I built a one-click sales funnel in System.io. Landing page, payments, upsells, and email sequence, all ready in a matter of hours. Now, Pinterest traffic sends buyers straight to my page, and the funnel makes sales 24/7, even while I'm away from my desk. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or creative. You just need the right prompts, a simple funnel, and a way to get eyeballs on your offer. You'll find all of that in the PDF below. What if you don't want to make your own products at all? The next method lets you sell other people's product and keep all the profits to yourself. Method 4 is automated affiliate marketing with AI video funnels. If you've ever poured months into posting, filming, and writing, only to make almost nothing, I've been there. When I started affiliate marketing, I did everything the gurus said. Posted in endless Facebook groups hoping for clicks, filmed product review videos late into the night, wrote blog posts praying they'd rank on Google. After all that, burnout. Almost no sales. And that sinking feeling that I was just giving platforms free content while my bank account stayed empty. That's when I stopped chasing buyers and started pulling them in with AI-powered video funnels that run 24/7. No being on camera, no endless manual posting, no praying for my videos to go viral. I use AI to create short, scroll-stopping videos for trending products on networks like Digistore24 and JVZoo. AI writes the script, does the voiceover, creates the B-roll, and schedules posts across multiple platforms, all with my affiliate links in front of targeted, ready-to-buy audiences. You'll find the exact scripts, tools, and posting automations in the free PDF playbook linked below, including my step-by-step funnel map so you can have your first video live tonight. What if you took this same always selling machine and offered it as a done-for-you service to other businesses, getting paid every single month? That's method number 5, AI-driven social media management for clients. Remember those AI funnels running 24/7, selling for me while I sleep? Now imagine running that same machine for other businesses and getting paid every month to keep it going. With AI, I can create scroll-stopping posts, pins, videos, and stories for clients in minutes. When I started offering this, I landed my first 2 clients in a week, and what they paid me was enough to cover all my living expenses. The same AI system that runs my affiliate funnels also runs my clients' accounts, giving me a predictable, recurring income without chaining myself to a desk. Up next. This next one is the ultimate faceless moneymaker, the same method I use to run multiple YouTube channels that rack up views, grow subscribers, and bring in AdSense plus affiliate income. Method number 6 is faceless YouTube automation channels. YouTube is the only platform where a video you upload today can still be paying you years from now. And here's the best part. You don't have to be on camera, film a thing, or even record your own voice. When I first thought about making money on YouTube, I shut the idea down fast. I don't want to be on camera, I don't have a studio, I hate editing, I don't have time. Sound familiar? The truth is, some of the biggest YouTube earners never record a single clip, never show their face, and never use their own voice. People like Matt Parr, who runs multiple faceless channels making 6 figures a year, and channels like 10x Income or AI Guy do the same using smart automation. I post several videos a week, monetize with AdSense, add affiliate links in descriptions, and land sponsorships, all without showing my face. In the final method, I'll show you how to take this to the next level. But before we jump into the last method, number 7, let me drop a little thank you gift for sticking with me until now. Imagine this. A single t-shirt design making $5,000 in sales. And you didn't touch a box, ship a parcel, or spend weeks creating it. Sounds insane, right? This business model is called AI-assisted print on demand. And here's why it's a total game changer. You sell physical products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, but you never keep stock, never handle shipping, and never invest upfront. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Sign up on Gelato. They handle the printing, packing, and shipping for you. Step 2. Research winning designs using a product spy tool like Allura. For instance, I spotted a t-shirt selling for $14, bought over 350 times, generating $5,000 in revenue, all from one simple design. Step 3. Create your design with AI. No design skills? No problem. Go to ChatGPT, create the style you want, then jump over to Canva. Search t-shirt templates, swap the design elements, and export. Step 4. Upload your design to Gelato and then connect to your store on Shopify or Etsy and start selling. When someone orders, Gelato prints and ships the product for you, completely hands-free. Finally, number 7, where one sale can earn you $500, $1,000, or even $2,000. Before we hit the finale, the full PDF playbook with my exact prompts, tool stack, and funnel maps is linked in the description. Grab it now and make the most of it. If this video has been helpful, please hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a strategy like this. Also, drop a comment below letting me know which of these methods you'd like to try right away and which one you'd like me to do a deep dive on next. Method number 7, the monster. High-ticket affiliate marketing, where a single sale can drop $500, $1,000, even $2,000 straight into your account. When I started, my commissions were laughable. $4 here, $8 there, maybe $12 if I was lucky. I was grinding like crazy for lunch money and wondering if I'd ever escape the small money game. Then I discovered high-ticket affiliate marketing. Same effort, 20 times the payout. Instead of selling $50 products 100 times to make $5K, I could sell one $1,000 product 5 times and make the same amount. That's when I jumped from under $200 a month to my first $1,000 day, then $10K in 3 months. No followers, no paid ads, no face on camera, no chasing $20 commission.